Hi guys, it's me Gosie, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually the beginning of my new series, and so yeah, I'm very excited for that. Another update, as you can see, the sun outside is just beautiful. That just makes me so happy because like it was minus 10 degrees like a week ago and now it's 10 degrees, which I know it's concerning. I just hate winter, so I'm so happy that it's finally sun outside. And yeah, that's my little update-ish for today. I'm going to eat a snack and I'm going to participate in a little lecture with some theater people because I don't have math today and I have a lecture. I mean, how cool is that? Like, today is awesome.
I know that you're alright. I know that you'll be fine. I'll keep you off my mind.
Okay guys, so I already have weekend because the last class was Spanish and we are basically showing our like projects that we did, and I showed mine yesterday and my teacher said that everyone who already showed their projects, they can go if they want to. So I have weekend and I only had one lesson today, like one class where I was actually supposed to like do something. And oh my god, that is so weird that I don't remember last time when I had so much free time and I just don't know what to do with myself. Like, I want to bake, I want to make a bullet journal spread, I want to make clay rings, I want to go for a walk, I want to get coffee, which I'm probably not gonna do because I had takeout coffee yesterday and it's kind of expensive. But oh my god, I have so much time. I think I'm going to do a little bullet journal session. I will show you my bullet journaling rituals.
I'm coming over around the corner. Another night where I get so confused because we're just friends. The friends who undress, the friends with loose ends that kiss your neck. And I don't mind if you waste my time, cause I've got some I can't lose. Act like I don't need your love and you call my bluff, and that's all that I can ask of you.
since I don't know what to do with myself because I just have so much school that every time I don't have it, I just don't know what to do with myself, which is kind of weird and kind of depressing at the same time. But I thought that I'm going to do my favorite thing, which is baking, and then I'm going to maybe do some yoga and have this really like nice self-care afternoon. So that's what I'm gonna do, and yeah, I'm very excited. I have the Palm app and I have like the free version, but I usually find recipes on Instagram, but I just wasn't feeling like doing anything that I have here.
On the lawn, and your hand-me-down car feels so far away, away. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon, thinking of you, thinking of you, yeah. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon, thinking of I could be your hero, but I can't get out of bed.
Hey guys, so it's the next day and I've had a very relaxing day today. I wanted to film this earlier, but I woke up and realized that my camera is like dead, so I had to charge it, and it's already like after lunch. But anyway, I've had a very relaxing morning today. I was reading this book the whole day, The Emergency Contact. I talked about it in my last vlog and I finished it, and it's really good, highly recommend. But yeah, I thought that it will be fun to make clay rings because I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I've never had time, and now I finally have time. So yeah, I thought it will be entertaining to vlog that, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna bring some clay because I actually have quite a lot of clay at home because my dad has a lot of like artsy supplies, I guess. So I'm gonna take clay and let's make rings. Okay, so I just finished making all my rings. I need to put them in the oven now. I made 11. This took me so long. Like, I think I've been doing this for like 2 hours, which is crazy, but yeah, I kind of understand now why these from like all of these like independent businesses are so expensive, because like I've made literally the most basic, the easiest shapes possible, and if they are making ones that have like actually like, you know, fancy shapes, I can understand why they cost so much. Anyway, I'm gonna put them in the oven now. So I'm gonna show you all of the rings that I've made. So here's a little tray, here's how they look like. They are so cute, I love them so much. So I've made these 2 white ones. This white one, but it's kind of like twisted. I just like took 2 thin pieces of clay and just kind of like braided them together. I don't know. This like a really basic shape, but in blue, to make it a little bit more spicy and funky. I just love this color. This one was honestly a fail, kind of, because this shape is just so asymmetrical. And I've also made this one that is kind of like another braided one. Really like this one. Here we have the brown one. They also have this funky bright pink shade. I love that so much. I made this one with this Fimo effect clay, and it's kind of like sheer clear. Not really sure if there is a ring, if there isn't. This one is my personal favorite, I think. It's like twisted, but it's like pink and blue. Here you have a frog ring, because you can't make clay rings without making a frog ring. So I think I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. And you can also follow me on my Instagram at gosiecal. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Have a lovely rest of your day. And yeah, I will see you next time.